Hello, and thanks for watching B2B Gateway's demonstration of our transaction report. B2B Gateway clients can access their transaction reports by logging into their client portal and clicking on the Reports tab. This report is very useful as it contains a full report of all the documents that you have sent and received, along with a status of what has happened with them. You can see exactly which trading partners are receiving which documents, whether you have sent or received documents, and the status of each, along with any exceptions that may have occurred. The current day's transaction report is emailed at the end of the day to be used as a daily report. But you can also see the full report in your client portal, which we are looking at right now. The first thing I want to talk about is the transaction report table headers. Here, you will see client, trading partner, document type, the direction, the document number, the trading partner ID, a group control number, a custom field, the date, the ability to view the document, and then the status. The client list will always list your client name. The next column is trading partner. This column lists the trading partner that is either sending or receiving the file that is shown. You can click this header to organize the list alphabetically, or you can use the filter to include only transactions from a specific trading partner by using the drop-down. The document type column will list the type of document that was being sent or received to or from the listed trading partner. You can click the header text to sort alphabetically here as well, or you can use the drop-down filter to only select the document type that you're interested in viewing. The direction shows which direction the document was going, whether it will be inbound to you from your trading partner or outbound from you to your trading partner. The document number is simply the assigned number for the document you are sending. Trading partner ID is the trading partner ISA ID. This number is the first number in any EDI document and defines who the document is going to. The group control number is referred to as the control number of the file that the trading partner will use to reference when they are sending and receiving documents. The next column lists a custom field. This custom field can be assigned to whatever you would like, but it does require custom programming and it's available to you upon request. Next, we show the date field, and that lists the date that the document was processed through B2B Gateway's system. The View Document column allows you to click on a specific document and view that document's raw data. And finally, the most important part here is the status. The status column will list one of 5 different statuses. 997 accepted means that the trading partner has received the file that you sent them, and they sent back a functional acknowledgement saying that they have received your file. This basically means that all is good and that everything was received and accepted. 997 rejected means that there was a problem with the file that the trading partner received. Open exception. This references the exception report. There are issues with the file that you tried to send. You need to take a look at the exception report, fix those issues, and resend that document. Closed exception. You will see closed exception when the exception was fixed and the file was resent, or when someone closed the exception manually. Last, there is a blank field. This means that we haven't received a 997 from the trading partner, or it is an inbound file. The top section of the table includes some unique functionality, including the ability to view transactions by day, month, or year. You can check the box labeled Include Previous Month if you are searching for files that are tied together but span a couple of months. For instance, if you received a PO in September but the invoice came across in October, check this box to include both September and October in your filter. If you know the specific document number you're looking for, you can also search for that via the document number search bar on the top right. Finally, if you would like to export the list to a CSV file for reporting purposes, you can download the search data by clicking Export to CSV. Hopefully this demo gives you a better understanding of what the transaction report is, how it works, and informs you of all the transactions that have taken place with your EDI relationships.